how to calculate values in variables and formulas in Excel. So if you want to calculate values in variables and formulas in Excel, then first you need to open up your Microsoft Excel and then create a new spreadsheet. Now label the cells in your spreadsheet to represent the variables and constants involved in your formula. For example, if your formula involves calculating the area of a rectangle, label the cells A1 and B1 as length and width. Enter the given values into the corresponding cells. If you have specific numerical values for the variables, input them directly into the cells. For example, if the length of the rectangle is 5 and the width is 3, enter 5 into the cell 2A and enter 3 into the cell 2B. And write your formula into the separate cell where you want the result to appear. Use cell references to refer to the label cells containing the variables. For example, to calculate the area of the rectangle, you can write the formula as A2 multiplied by B2 in the cell C2. And once you enter, you just need to hit the enter on your keyboard, and here you will have the answer. Excel will automatically calculate the result based on the values you entered for the variables. In this case, it will display the area of the rectangle in cell C2. You can now use the Excel's features to further analyze or manipulate the calculated values. You can go for formulas, which is on the upper side. So for example, you can use sum or average or count numbers, max, like that. You can use all of those formulas. So by following these steps, you can easily calculate values in variables and formulas using Microsoft Excel. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.